picture some music playing in the background and an intro flying over Egypt. This is going to be amazing.
That have captivated humanity for millennia. The massive pyramids, imposing sphinx, and intricately decorated tombs stand as triumphs of engineering, mathematics, and organizational mastery unrivaled for their era.
It's very good. I mean, honestly, if I was watching a documentary on ancient Egypt and I heard this voiceover, I wouldn't even pick this out as AI. Their voiceovers are very high quality. Actually, I can't say enough about how good the quality of these voiceovers are. If you guys are looking to monetize your YouTube channel, but you don't want to do your own voiceover, you want to use text to speech, but you're worried, is text to speech going to be able to get monetized by YouTube? Are they not going to accept it? Yes, you absolutely can get your channel monetized on YouTube if you're using text to speech. You just have to make sure that you use a good quality, realistic, human sounding voiceover. And the way to do that is to just come over to this tool right here. It's called Wondershare Uniconverter. It has a ton of AI features, ton of AI tools, and it also has other tools like converting your videos into different file formats, all types of tools. Okay, right here, we'll just check out the C pricing, and I just want to show you how much this plan costs. You could pay $80. You don't have to worry about a subscription. Okay, so you just buy it outright and you get to use it forever. So let me show you guys how it works real quick. I'm just going to bring up the software. This is what happens when you get Wondershare Uniconverter. You're going to have this software right here, and as you can see, there are a ton of different tools under the AI lab section, and in here is one called text to speech. Now, yes, you can convert your video or your audio into over 1,000 formats. Okay, it has different downloaders, so you can download music, videos off of different websites. It has a compressor without the loss of quality, okay, so you can reduce the file size. But let's just go ahead and check out their text-to-speech tool, because this is what I want to show you guys today. Now here you have a couple different categories, or as they like to say, audio types. So you have narrative, advertisement, education, social media, entertainment, conversation, and then they're going to have different voices within each one of these different categories. And you could just go ahead and preview them.
Bridge the gap between theory and practice in our dynamic classes.
Bridge the gap between theory and practice in our dynamic classes.
All right, so as you can see, the voices that they have are very, very realistic. They sound exactly like humans.
You can lead a horse to water, but you can't make it drink.
You can lead a horse to water, but you can't make it drink.
And you can see it has like pauses within the voice, and that one sounds very, very realistic.
You can lead a horse to water, but you can't make it drink.
Okay, so their voices are awesome. And I have a little sample text right here. So I'm going to go ahead and paste in some sample text. It's basically just a first paragraph documentary on ancient Egypt. Okay, because I just wanted to see, like, would this voiceover right here be good enough to create like a documentary on YouTube and get it monetized? And I'm telling you right now, yes, YouTube will absolutely monetize this text-to-speech tool without a doubt. It is so realistic. It's so high quality. So I'm just going to come over to the education tab, and let's see.
Bridge the gap between theory and practice in our dynamic classes.
That sounds really good. That sounds like a National Geographic voiceover.
Bridge the gap between theory and practice in our dynamic classes.
It's hard to choose because they're both so good. I mean, you can come over to the social media one.
Hit subscribe and stay tuned for our next YouTube session.
But that doesn't really fit for the ancient Egypt documentary style. So I'm just going to go back to education and
the gap between theory and practice in our dynamic classes.
All right, I like that one. So I'll go ahead and click on informative and generate it. So all you do is just select the voice that you want and go ahead and click on generate. And in just a couple seconds, we'll have our high quality voiceover that sounds super realistic and will be able to be monetized on YouTube without a doubt. And the greatest part about this is that you're not paying monthly. This is a one-time payment for this tool. This is going to save you guys so much money. And if you go to Fiverr or one of these freelance platforms, and you can see how much these people are charging for voiceovers.
Emerging from the fertile valleys of the Nile River, ancient Egypt bequeathed to the world an astonishing array of architectural and artistic wonders.
Okay, this sounds awesome. Now, if you could just picture some music playing in the background and an intro flying over Egypt, this is going to be amazing.
That have captivated humanity for millennia. The massive pyramids, imposing sphinx, and intricately decorated tombs stand as triumphs of engineering, mathematics, and organizational mastery unrivaled for their era.
It's very good. I mean, honestly, if I was watching a documentary on ancient Egypt and I heard this voiceover, I wouldn't even pick this out as AI. Their voiceovers are very high quality. Actually, I can't say enough about how good the quality of these voiceovers are, because they have pauses and inflection in their voices that make it sound super real. Okay, listen to this.
The exquisitely painted hieroglyphs adorning temple walls provide a vivid portal into the rich mythology, daily life, and cultural achievements of one of the earliest sophisticated civilizations.
That is amazing. It sounds so good. I can already picture the documentary right now. So once you get your text-to-speech back, or once you get your voiceover back, you're just going to go ahead and click on export right here, and that's how you'll be able to save your voiceover. Here it is right here, and I could just go ahead and move that to any, move it to any folder that I want, and there you go. That's how you get your voiceover. You can monetize your YouTube channel with this voiceover, because it is so realistic. It's hard to even distinguish this as AI, honestly. All right, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you check back in with me and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video.